We've got one 48-pound, 3 pounds, plus some watered down. We've got another 3 pounds. And in the fridge, we've got
another 27 pounds.
Huge diced hot peppers. Actually, it says it's 1 gallon, but obviously it's more than that. Because that's all peanut butter noodle sesame sauce. Next to yet another one.
I tasted the sauce, but without the noodles. The noodles makes a big difference.
And we've got yet another one down here. Those are not cashews, that's more peanut butter sauce. And yet one more huge 3-pounder. And another one right behind it. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 3 pounds. 24 pounds of sauce, approximately.
But it's coming out to be like this is 4 pounds.
That's true.
Because we watered it down, diluted it, so 4 pounds. So 24 pounds of sauce is now going to be at least 35.
A pound per. Oh, we're back to that half-pound sauce to a pound of noodles then. Is that correct?
It sounds like it, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.